Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What follows is my personal experience using the TD Bank website. The website we're looking at today is td.com/us/en/personal-banking, the portal for TD Bank's personal banking services in the United States. Navigating to this address brings you to the main landing page for their personal banking offerings. Here, TD Bank showcases a variety of services, highlighting options for everyday checking and savings accounts, as well as more specialized financial products. They emphasize their range of account types designed to meet diverse customer needs. The site provides prominent links to information about managing your accounts online, exploring various loan options, including mortgages, personal loans, and lines of credit, and finding a convenient branch location near you. TD Bank clearly prioritizes making these essential services readily accessible to their customers directly from their homepage. Digging a little deeper, the website offers resources for financial planning and investment management. These resources are aimed at helping customers achieve their financial goals, offering tools and guidance for everything from budgeting to retirement planning. TD Bank positions itself as more than just a bank, but also as a financial partner for its customers. Throughout the site, you'll find a focus on digital convenience. They promote their mobile app and online banking platform, emphasizing the ease and accessibility of managing your finances from anywhere, anytime. This underscores TD Bank's commitment to providing modern banking solutions in today's fast-paced world. The site also features information about security measures and fraud prevention, assuring customers that their financial information is protected. This builds trust and confidence in their services. Moreover, they offer contact information and customer support channels, ensuring assistance is readily available when needed. This commitment to customer service reinforces their dedication to providing a positive banking experience. Finally, exploring the website reveals sections dedicated to specialized banking needs, such as small business banking and private wealth management, showcasing the breadth of their services beyond personal banking. This allows TD Bank to cater to a wider range of financial needs and client profiles.